Think your tankless water heater can't get clogged? Think again. Even without a tank, hard water minerals like calcium and magnesium can build up inside, causing clogs, poor water pressure, and inconsistent hot water. If you're hearing strange noises, waiting longer for hot water, or noticing temperature changes, it's time for maintenance. At Gold Star Plumbing and Drain, we provide expert tankless water heater repair, flushing, and full replacements to keep your system running efficiently. Call us today at 480-300-4007 or 928-612-3009. Proudly serving Gilbert, Arizona, and nearby areas.